Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Wisdeer multifunction ultrasonic cleaner. This is great for jewelry, this is great for dentures, retainers, anything small that you want to be very clean. This thing will clean it very well because it uses sound waves and water to kind of really get all the dirt and grime out of whatever you're trying to clean. Here is the user manual, pretty basic stuff. As you can see, super easy to operate this thing. I'm gonna show you how it works with some retainers, but first let's take a look at the physical aspects of it. It's got this nice mirror right here, so that's important if you're traveling, if you just need a little mirror to look at yourself. And then underneath you've got the UV lights themselves. As you can see, you got two metal pins right there, and those connect with those metal pins there to give this thing power and light up the area with UV. You've also got this magnetic little cage here, and it clips on and it ensures that whatever you're cleaning doesn't touch the stainless steel sides of the ultrasonic cleaner if you don't want it to. So you don't have to use this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and you can see there's the power button. You push that once to get 5 minutes, once again for 8 minutes, once again for 10 minutes. And then there's the power cord. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up with water. As you can see, there's a max fill line right there. That's good enough. And then, so you want to put it on like that. Like so. Lift it up, ensure the metal pin's in the correct position. And then press it once to start. I'm just gonna do 5 minutes. So you can hear that right there. The UV light turns off when you open it up. But as you can see, there's a little green light right in the middle of that mirror. That shows that the UV's on. We'll take a look at this once it's done. It has finished, so we'll go ahead and take that out. And as you can see, a lot cleaner than before. None of that white crustiness that was on there. Just beautiful clarity. And the water's a little bit cloudy, which means it got all the dirt and grime that was on there off. So overall, I highly recommend this thing. It's great for any bathroom because you can always find little things that you need cleaned, and this makes it really, really easy. Thanks for watching.